know what you're celebrating?
Man, nigga, I'm celebrating your black ass, nigga. Fuck,
Yeah,
free
but
my
what about
slavery,
today?
nigga. Huh? Juneteenth. Nigga,
What year
why
was
is he
that?
out here?
What year is
Why
that?
is he your cameraman?
He's half
They
black.
gonna get a new cameraman, holla at me.
No, cameraman can't talk. Shut the up, nigga. It's
What's up?
Juneteenth. And I got a question. I'm gonna whisper it to you, bro.
All right, hit me.
Do you know you're diluting our race?
Yeah, but it's cool because I love her though. You feel me?
It's
I know.
Juneteenth, bro.
I
Look
know.
at all these chocolate women outside.
I know, I see it. It's okay though. That's for you. That's more for you.
We looking for the hoes, man. You know what they call it, June 19th. June
Juneteenth.
19th, 2026. We out here looking for the hoes.
I'm out here looking for a wife, bro.
He said, "Wife, I'm looking for the hoes." We seeing who coming to the next spot with us. What fucking time is it? He on the wrong timing. It's only hoes outside right now. I don't know what he on. He on some fucked up. 12 o'clock. How are you outside at 11 o'clock? Ass hanging out the shorts.
So if it's 3 a.m., that just means that
you fucking. You fucking. You fucking.
Follow me on Instagram. Here I do box, I do knotless, I do.
promo get cut every time. Y'all ain't hear none of that shit. Oh, I just realized who it was.
That's why I came over here.
Hello, mama.
I have a great balance.
You still look good.
Thank you. Thank you.
Even though she don't check up on Crispy no more.
I be seeing you. You be going crazy though, and I have to give it to you. You been snapping.
But when's the last time she checked on your boy? My head been going.
Keep doing your fucking thing,
And look how
nigga.
fine she is. Imagine someone as good looking as her not checking up on your boy. Cause god damn. Y'all see that motherfucker?
If you hoes really feel some type of way, it's up and it's stuck. Thank you.
Bro.
Okay.
This your dad for real? This ain't who I met you with, bro.
All day.
I'm just
This
trying
is
to make
where
sure.
I get it from.
Trying to make sure she good.
You good?
Feel me?
I'm
Yeah.
straight. Who might be?
Okay. I'm trying to make sure that's not her sugar daddy, you feel me? I'm broke, but if it is, get that paper. Come on, Crispy Gang, we back on the field. YouTube is Crispy. Oh, hello. Hello, beautiful black queens.
Is this like an interview or
Look,
something?
Crispy Gang, it is Juneteenth, and we are outside looking for a wife. So, speed dating on Juneteenth, I'm trying to find me something chocolate. I'm low-key trying to find something like you. Look how you come in. Hello.
Hi.
Look, how she coming, Crispy
I don't know
Gang?
who to expand. I don't know. Who's is
No
it?
360?
Look, should I do a 360?
W or L in the chat?
No. W's in the chat always for me.
I ain't gonna lie, you look good. You from Chicago?
Yes, I am.
What side of the city you from?
West side.
West side, 290, baby.
Yes, exactly that.
What you outside celebrating today?
Juneteenth, obviously, yes.
Juneteenth.
Yes, I'm
Now,
like
do you know what Juneteenth represents?
I do. Freedom.
Freedom? Yeah. Everybody got freed on Juneteenth. Back in what year?
Oh no.
You don't know?
I do know.
I'm trying to teach y'all the history. That's why I gotta ask these type of questions. What year? Oh, she got it right on the point.
Yes, 1865, y'all. 1865.
W
You know, I knew
homegirl.
that, but I just need a little help.
Are y'all outside the whole Black Yacht weekend?
Yes, we are.
What's the word? This is just Friday, and it look like
It's busting.
we gonna have a long night ahead of us.
Exactly.
What's your
that.
name?
Milan.
My name's Crispy.
Nice to meet you, Crispy.
Yeah, I thought we could be friends. These some good
Yeah, you know, by stream.
Crispy Gang, we got a little distracted. I had to turn the camera off. You know, I had to say what's up. But judging by the looks of it and the fact that we got distracted while doing the intro. Oh. Hey, Crispy Gang, I see some fine shit. Look, I'm finna go shark her.
What you dreaming about? Talk to me real
Look,
quick.
it's Crispy.
Yeah,
You know what day it is today?
man, it's June 29th.
It's
It's
not.
June 29th.
It's June 19th.
June 19th.
For real.
Yeah, I said June 29th. I'm geek.
Alright,
Hey, I
you know
said
what
June
you're celebrating
29th.
today? You look
Huh?
pretty lit.
June, it's
Do you know what you're celebrating?
Man, nigga, I'm celebrating your black ass, nigga. Fuck,
Yeah,
free
but
my
what about
slavery,
today?
nigga. Huh? Juneteenth. Nigga,
What year
why
was
is he
that?
out here?
What year
Why
is
is he your cameraman?
He's half
They
black.
gonna get a new cameraman, holla at me. Hey,
You see? Why you ducking the questions? Why you ducking the questions? No, cameraman can't talk. Shut the up, nigga. I got your back, but still, I ain't gonna lie. You said what? How y'all coming? Oh, a car full of black ladies. Happy Juneteenth, sisters.
Hey, y'all. Get
Y'all-
the back seat.
Y'all look pretty. Get the back seat. Y'all got fine shit back here too. Oh, they got the cuts. Oh, wow. It's gonna be a good night, Crispy Gang. Cause the night just started. Damn, somebody's shit got beat up right here. What the f? Hey, Crispy Gang, I know y'all seen my last video. You feel me? That's why I have to wear the Mike Tyson t-shirt today. How am I coming? Am I crispy? We do not condone violence. Cause sometimes it really don't be worth it. Before I started this video, we dropped the camera. Well, not even we, I dropped the camera. My bad. So we back on the old setup until we get a new lens again. So that's why I be saying sometimes the violence don't be worth it, but I do say defend yourself. Crispy Gang, based off the looks of it, it looks like we have a long night ahead of us. It looks like the chocolate is outside. Alright, let's hit the corner. Damn, Crispy Gang, I'm not gonna lie. The fact that the line is all the way over here, this is unseen. I haven't seen the line like this all year. I like your hair. You look pretty. You from out here? No? North Carolina? Why is everybody in Chicago this weekend? I didn't know Black Yacht Weekend was that busting.
Who want to get in your video?
Who want to say what's up?
The
Hey. You out here looking for the hoes or you out here looking for a wife?
Probably both. Shit.
Both?
I ain't gonna lie.
For me? So you gonna cheat on the wife with a hoe? Or you want a wife that's gonna be your hoe? Yeah, what about you too? You ain't safe?
Yeah, ass up.
Both of y'all.
I'm here. You said something
I'm
for
trying to
the
find a
hoe.
wife.
You ain't gonna find no wife out here, folks.
Damn, you couldn't be my wife?
He can find, ass
Cause you out here.
I'm chilling with the bros.
She with the bros.
But if she with the bros outside at 3 in the morning, what that mean?
It's 3 a.m.
Not yet, but she ready for it.
No, what's her name? You a streamer?
Yeah, it's crispy.
Chris.
Yeah.
Alright, bro.
What's y'all asking? What's y'all motive for the night? Cause why are y'all out here then?
We celebrating Juneteenth. Juneteenth, the black
Y'all
people.
know what happened on
Fuck the white
Juneteenth?
people.
For real. Y'all see this skin tone? Black as fuck, and I'm not mad about it.
Our motive tonight is to get drunk as fuck. Drunk as fuck. Drunk as fuck. Drunk as fuck. Drunk as fuck.
Drunk as fuck?
That's it.
Drunk as fuck?
But no, all the real shit we do.
He got a coffee, look at this.
That ain't coffee. That ain't coffee.
Definitely ain't no
But
coffee.
look, we do celebrate our black culture and yeah.
Oh, it's crispy, and I got me another victim. What's your name?
Jocelyn.
Jocelyn, where you from?
Chicago.
Chicago.
Chi-town.
North, south, east.
South.
You know what they be saying about our south babies?
What they say?
They be saying, close that back door.
What?
But sometimes you can find you a good girl from our south.
Yeah, I am. I most definitely am a good girl.
I want to trust it though.
Why?
I just had my own. I got my own reasons.
You gotta get her in fucking check so she could be a good girl. That's all it takes.
Well, why I gotta get her in check instead of her just being a good girl? Nigga wanted his shine. Why you walk through it, bro?
Because sometimes you need a little. Sometimes you need a little.
Should we come back to the other side? Hold on, my bad. Cut. Technical difficulties. You talking about get her in check? Why can't she just be in check?
I mean, sometimes a female
All right,
just needs that motivation.
So you gotta motivate the out south girls to act
Yeah,
right.
you do. You really do. Cause sometimes you just gotta. Once you do that, everything gonna fall in line. I promise.
Understandable. All right. What do you look for in a man?
What do I look for in a man? For him to be on his end game, do his own shit, got his own shit going on, and honestly, when we come together, we make goals together, and we can live a happy life. Yeah, have memories.
Happy wife, happy life.
Yeah, okay, because I'm waiting.
Ooh.
Yes.
That ring coming soon.
Yeah, it is.
What's something a man can do that would instantly get your attention?
Just being himself. I don't really like all that fakeness going on, but as long as you show me who you actually are and got some shit going on, everything is straight.
Now, what's the biggest green flag?
Green flag or red?
Both.
Red flag is you just at first or just in general along the way?
In general, like when do you start being like, damn, I gotta push off?
I'm very strict, so it's like
You on a strict program?
I am on a strict program, honestly, because
She think cause she a little tall, she got a strict program.
honestly because if somebody introduced me to them and
You gonna beat their ass for introducing?
no, but like if they want my number automatically, it's like no, I ain't fucking with all of that. But if you be like, yeah, let me buy you a drink, get my attention first, basically overall, so we can see where it goes. That's it.
So I gotta buy you a drink to get your
You don't have
number.
to buy me a drink.
Red
but
flag,
impress
Crispy
me.
Gang.
Impress
you.
me.
Impress
That's
you by
it.
spending my money on a drink.
I mean, I'm spending money too.
Red flag. Spending money on me or yourself?
Yeah. Both of us. I'm not stingy.
I'm below.
If my nigga look good and it's like he doing his job, babe, let's go out and go get some meat, my treat.
You think I look good?
You can switch the shirt up.
Oh, she not fucking with the Mike
Shirt up and the
Tyson.
shoes.
But she don't even know I be beating niggas' ass. What the fuck you talking about? But that's why I have to wear the boxing shirt today.
Okay.
But since I don't look good, I can't impress her unless I buy her food. As she said.
No.
That's what you just said though.
No.
I don't know, Chad. Do you know what you outside celebrating today?
Yes, I do.
What?
My cousin's birthday.
Your cousin's birthday?
Yes.
That's it?
Yes. That's really it. And just being outside. It's summer, girl.
She
It's
said,
hot, girl.
F
It's hot,
Juneteenth.
girl.
It's hot, girl?
Yes,
You a hot girl?
girl.
Let me show them how you coming. Let me get that 360. Oh, wait. Oh, wait.
Alrighty, I gotta go.
She alright. Crispy Gang, I'm not gonna lie. We gonna push up towards the front of the line for the girls who think they too good to wait. Oh look, it's this nigga again. What? I thought you would be a little taller, bro. You giving Kevin Hart the way you was talking. And I'm The Rock.
Unless you poppin' though. What's going on though?
Hey, Crispy Gang, I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna go closer to the front of the line. Cause you know the fine shit be in the front. Say what? They be too lazy to wait. Ooh, how y'all come in? I like this red dress. Where you from? She already seen the camera, Crispy Gang. We gotta move around. I like your braids.
Thank you.
Happy Juneteenth.
Happy Juneteenth.
What'd you do to celebrate your blackness today?
I celebrate my blackness every day.
As you should, cause I'm black as fuck. Say what? Now what do you look for in a man? Like what's your biggest green flag? Yo.
Green flag.
My bad.
Wait. Do you know the code word? Bullshit. They ain't getting no free promo. That shit said beep. I was talking about for the channel.
Oh well, let me get promo for my event tomorrow. Right.
Beep. Alright,
What we
look,
do?
I'm
What's
back to shorty.
shit? Go ahead.
Alright.
You said a
What did I
green
say?
flag.
Yeah, what's your biggest green flag that you look for in a man?
Somebody who is honest and who keeps their
She
word.
lying. Y'all want a little
Are you honest?
See,
NPC trying to get your attention.
Y'all want a little bit of a lie. Y'all want the full truth.
I do want the full.
Alright, what do you feel like the truth
Right.
is? Do you really want them to be honest? What do you gotta say?
I don't mind honesty, but females don't want honesty. I be too honest, and the female told me sometimes lie, nigga.
But that's the thing though, that's that light skin shit.
And you ain't
Y'all
fucking with her no more,
Y'all
are you?
like bold truth all the time.
Alright, what's the green flag you look for in a man?
Somebody who is honest and somebody who keep their word.
Do you only fuck with black man?
Yeah.
Now what's your type of black man?
Tall, dark, and handsome.
Like me?
Yep.
Ooh, what would you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
I'm gonna give you an 8.5.
8.5.
8.5.
Crispy Gang, do we gotta see her again? Cause you know we out here looking for a wife. Do you think that you're wifeable material?
Oh yes, absolutely. Yeah.
Now what makes you wifey material?
My mindset, the way I am.
Now what are you doing different compared to everybody else?
First of all, I'm not out here showing my ass.
Do you
can
got
just
one?
Be outside.
Oh wait,
Be out
Crispy
there
Gang,
in
do she
my
got one?
Little booties matter too. Thank you. But nah, y'all bitches, y'all show too motherfucking much. It's getting ridiculous out there. Y'all just coming out here with your panties out, your ass out, all type of shit. God damn. And then y'all be easy as hell. A nigga just say hi or just double like a couple pictures. Now you ready to fuck. Damn.
So you just feel like all Chicago girls are going?
I ain't gonna say all Chicago girls. I'm gonna say 50-50. I'm gonna say 50-50.
It be hard out here, man.
Yeah.
Being on the other side. Now let's go to the positive side. Who is the most influential black person to you?
That's kind of hard. It's a lot of people out here like that.
Cause you know Obama in town right now, man.
Damn, that's hard. It's a lot of people doing their shit out here. Let's go Michelle, cause you know what? That bastard called her a fucking man. Fuck you.
Oh, that's crazy.
Michelle Obama.
Shout out Michelle. It was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you. Thank you.
Take me down on the Instagram. Add me on the ground.
I got you.
Oh. It's your friend?
Yeah, that's who I was.
Who? I need the friend too. What's up?
Come here.
Hey, friend. Will you be friends too? How y'all coming? Y'all all from out west?
Of course. Don't be disrespectful. I'm from out
Yeah,
south.
I know. I said out west. That's disrespectful.
I said don't be. You said it with a little.
He said.
I don't know what they're talking about.
Okay, not too much.
Hey, Crispy Gang, out south or out west? What side are we on?
Out west, 290. Thank you. I don't know what the fuck she talking about.
I'm living getting money. I don't give a fuck about it. So I'm not down about no.
Hey, as a nigga from up north, I heard they both dirty. But that's just me though. Out west and out south, both dirty in my opinion.
I'm getting money. I don't know what they
Imposter? I'm just being honest. But shout out Obama for that new presidential center.
Yes.
To the young Crispy Gang, I need y'all going over there and making it look like a good place.
Yes.
You feel me?
Yes.
Because we had YMCAs, y'all needed Obama. I'm broke.
What we doing?
Take me through the school bus. But how are y'all coming? I'm on YouTube right now.
Happy Juneteenth. It's a beautiful motherfucking night. Y'all know what the fuck going on. We love it. We love it.
A nigga black as fuck.
Look, yes, happy
Juneteenth. Crispy Gang.
Look, what you gotta say?
Happy Juneteenth to all my black lovely
Wait.
I love Jesus. Thank you.
I ain't seen you in a while.
What you gotta say?
What do I gotta say?
What you gotta say, friend?
Happy Juneteenth, guys. Happy Juneteenth.
I'm not your.
Damn, you just turned single or something? Well, wait. Crispy Gang, I seen an imposter. Wait, come here. Come here. Wait. Come here. I forgot her name, chat. Wait. It's Crispy. At Crispy Gang, we outside. It's
What's up?
Juneteenth. And I got a question. I'm going to whisper it to you, bro.
All right, hit me.
Do you know you're diluting our race?
Yeah, but it's cool because I love her though. You feel me?
Tight shit.
You
Are you
feel me?
treating this man right?
Of course.
It's
My queen.
Juneteenth,
It's queen.
bro. It's
I know.
Juneteenth, bro.
I know.
Look at all these chocolate women outside.
I know. I see it. It's okay though. That's for you. That's more for you.
No.
Yeah. You got it, bro.
I feel like the white girls be scared of me, bro.
Nah, bro. No, they can't be. They can't be scared.
They be like crossing the street when I'm walking.
Nah, you gotta holler.
What's
you
the sauce? I be asking about
Sauce?
pickleball and
Sauce?
shit.
No. Ready. You gotta say like this girl right here walking up. You gotta be like, hey, like where you from? Like let's go get some food.
Hell no. I got a couple questions. Ice cream. Happy Juneteenth.
Girl, you don't know
I like your lights.
Oh, thank
Yeah.
you.
Mi nombre es Crispy. ¿Cómo se llama?
No me les what?
Crispy.
Crispy?
It's Crispy. Sí.
Eso llama por like it's for real?
¿Cómo se llama?
¿Cómo se llama?
nickname, bitch.
Why you say it in English though? I thought we was talking black Spanish. Alright, look. I'm here with
You're here with Lolo.
Lolo.
Yes.
Where you from, Lolo?
I'm from Chicago, South Side, the best side. Thank you.
Is the south side the best side?
It's the black side, so it gotta be the best side.
Okay. Now, what was you celebrating today?
Juneteenth, hello.
You know what Juneteenth represents?
Absolutely.
What?
Freedom for the last, in Galveston, Texas, when everybody finally realized they were free. They got word. So yeah. Freedom for all. or
What
freedom
year was
for
that
none.
in?
1865.
Oh, she actually on point. I can't play with Lola.
Yeah.
You said you're from out south?
Yes.
Did you go to the Obama Center yet?
No, I have not.
You're supposed to be right there.
I
man.
live right down the street, so like I can go there anytime.
It opened yesterday. You ain't been there yet?
No. That crowd too motherfucking big for me.
You ain't see Obama?
No, I haven't seen my president.
What's your biggest inspiration as a black person?
Biggest inspiration. If we talking about Obama's, Michelle Obama, the poise and the class she exhibits as a black woman in the face of adversity, absolutely.
Alright, what's your type?
My type. I like who I like. I don't really have a type.
You like who you like? You don't ever see no shrine?
No. I surprise myself sometimes.
What's a big green flag?
A big green flag. Honesty and consideration.
Honesty or loyalty? Which one are you picking?
I would say honesty, because you can, and your idea of being loyal could not be loyalty in someone else's eyes. So being honest as possible.
Do you feel like you can trust Chicago, man?
Absolutely not.
Can we trust Chicago women though?
Absolutely.
Alright.
Because we're not gonna front on who we are. You're gonna get who the fuck you get when you first get us. It's not gonna change up.
How do you know when you like somebody? How long does it take for you to realize you like somebody?
I don't know. You know, niggas irritate me. So you don't get on my nerves. Cool.
You got a man?
No, I do not.
It's
oh,
for
this
you.
is free?
Yeah,
Thank you.
You're beautiful.
No, mi amor, mi amor.
Oh, mi amor, no you amor, mi
Bro,
amor.
Mi amor.
Bro, he took the fire from me. I was going to do this right now. I told him I was going to
Well,
do
thank
this.
you.
What the fuck?
Take the fire and do this.
Thank you so much.
Anyways, fuck that. Let me get your Instagram.
My Instagram?
Yeah.
Sure.
Add me.
Huh?
Add me on Instagram.
My phone's dead, dude.
Is it really?
Yes.
What about you? What you gotta say to
Wait,
me?
all I'm gonna say is, bro, be bad. You gotta be smart as fuck, and bro, fuck these boys and like
Be
just
bad,
live your
be
life.
good.
Make your own bread, bitch. Make your own bread.
Oh, I'm
Okay,
sorry.
what about
Wait, let me whisper it.
Fucking
Make your own bread, please.
little
real.
ASMR. Little ASMR.
What's the red flag? What red flags do y'all be seeing?
Ooh, literally.
Going out all the time.
Bitch.
But y'all outside and it's like 2 in the morning.
Okay, watch out.
No,
Hold
it's
up.
like
Hold
3,
up.
4
Don't
in the
try
morning.
to
Too much. You
Don't
don't
try
know
to
us.
press us because you're the
know
cameraman.
us.
No,
I'm
he's
not
the
the
cameraman.
cameraman.
No, you're the one interviewing me, so that's
It's
the red
Crispin.
flag.
What do you mean? I'm a red flag because I'm asking y'all questions.
No one said you were a red flag. Wait, you're interviewing too? Hold on, wait your turn. Wait your turn. Hold on. Hold on.
Can I get a? It's crispy.
It's crispy.
Look, you know what day it is, right?
Here we go. Jesus Christ.
What do you mean? It is. You said you wanted to say what's up. You know what day it is?
I wanted to know about the hoes.
The hoes. We're looking for young, respectful, chocolate woman. I want a wife, bro. I don't know where the hoes are, but we're going to Hubbard Street, downtown Chicago. If you know, you know. Look, I have a challenge for you.
Where's my girl go?
If you love black people, say I love black people and hop on one leg 3 times. You're not doing this? So you don't love black people?
I do love black people.
So you can't hop on one leg and say I love black people 3
I
times?
just love the cigarette more right now. So.
Damn. That's kind of crazy.
Have you ever
It's
been
your day
married?
too. You would have been a slave. They racist, Crispy gang. Oh my God, what the fuck is going on? I love your curls, queen.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
What the fuck?
Eventually.
Hey, what the fuck? Fuck y'all got going on? How y'all coming?
brother. You came late to the party, bro.
I know I'm late. Look, I love when I see my Nigerian boys outside.
Know that. Hey, fuck with Crispin TV, bro.
It's crispy.
Okay, how y'all doing today, my black kings? I'ma bow down to y'all because it's motherfucking Juneteenth and we don't play that shit. Okay, on Crispy Gang, on No Gang, on Black Love, Black Power. How y'all doing today? I love this black king.
Alright, Crispin gang, we about to move around from right here. I ain't gonna lie. There's too many blue and white lights. But I definitely see the vibes. So we're gonna make our way.
Really doing it. We just came to the Hubbard Inn. That bitch is busting. That shit was busting on.
You know what Dross just said? The hoes is out here. Let's go find this
The
one.
hoes is outside. I swear to God. I don't know how to gang bang. So y'all just get the.
Yo. Hey, it's Sparks. We looking for the hoes, man. You know what they call it, June 19th. June 19th, 2026. We out here looking for the hoes.
I'm out here looking for a wife, bro.
He said wife. I'm looking for the hoes. We seeing who coming to the next spot with us. What fucking time is it? He on the wrong timing. It's only hoes outside right now. I don't know what he on. He on some fucked up.
So wait. After what time do you think you can't find a wife? Like, after what time do you know that all the bitches outside is just hoes?
12 o'clock? How are you outside at 11 o'clock? Ass hanging out the shorts.
So if it's 3 a.m., that just means that
you fucking. You fucking. You fucking. If you outside right now, you fucking.
Hey, Crispy Gang. We about to move around from here, but I got one more.
Follow me on Instagram. Here I do box, I do knotless, I do boho knotless, I do stitch braids, I do every motherfucking thing. I do quick weaves, I do wig and sauce, I do everything. So come bust the look, period. Thank ya.
Promo get cut every time. Y'all ain't hear none of that shit.
Happy Juneteenth.
Come on, wait.
All the niggas, the real niggas.
Like me, right?
Yes. We fought for this and
Nah, fuck that. Crispy Gang, y'all remember her? Yo ass ain't been around. Where you been at? At home. You don't fuck with Crispy Gang no more? You got a kid or something?
What's Crispy Gang?
Oh. That told me all I needed to know.
I like those glasses.
Thank you. For me, I see you though.
Yeah.
That's why I had to come say something. You still outside looking good. There's my TV show, not Charles. I ain't worried about Charles' ass. But look, Crispy Gang, you see the line actually starting to build up and shit. I'm not really worried about the motherfuckers at the end of the line. I want the fine shit at the front. The fuck you talking about? But I'm not gonna lie. We going this way for the motherfuckers who don't want to talk to it. Hello. Excuse me, miss. I see how you coming.
Hey.
Yeah, you from the rack or you from over there?
No, I'm from the rack.
From the rack?
Yeah.
Prove it. What high school you go to? What they be asking?
Bowen.
Bowen. What the fuck is that?
Bowen.
What side of the city y'all from?
Southside.
I've been meeting hella Southside babies tonight.
Yeah, anybody have a section right here?
That means y'all gotta go.
Cocksucker talking to you before I beat his bitch ass tonight.
Who?
My co-worker.
Co-worker said get the fuck on. But y'all look good. How you doing, mama? Saturday yet?
Take little bro.
What you mean take little bro?
I'ma deal with him.
That's little bro. I ain't never seen that nigga.
I'm gonna deal with him when this shit closed. Don't worry about letting him talk right now.
They talking about Tay little bro. Tay gonna get on his ass. Alright, Crispy Gang. They saying we can't record right here, but we know where their public property line is. So come out here. Come on. Oh, we not on their property no more. Magic. Like that. Now that he afraid of me taking his hoes, we gotta work from the street. That's bogus as hell. Hello. I like your hair, mama. Never mind. Fuck her. Crispy Gang, they just kicked me off their property. And Tay, you heard them, they talking about your little bro. I'll get on his ass if I was you. I'm gonna spit it out like that. But I still found some pretty girls off their property line. Duh, what the fuck? I'm here with
Tavy.
Asia.
and it's Crispy.
Okay.
Y'all from Chicago?
I am.
I'm not.
Where you from?
Milwaukee.
Oh, you from Milwaukee? That ain't too far. I'm thinking you gonna say something like Tennessee or something. What's the biggest green flag you look for in a man?
Intentional. Spin that. Plan that. Do what the fuck you say you gonna do. The end.
Oh, I see.
Okay, we done.
Damn. My homegirl said we gotta go.
Damn.
See you later, honey.
But either way, they friends wasn't fuck with us. We back over there. Come on. Now let's go that way, cause there's no line. You still wanna cut the line?
What?
I'll help you cut the line.
No, we all gotta cut the line.
Come on. Oh! Hey, I ain't gonna lie though. You gotta go for who's going for you. I'm not finna beg. You know what I mean? Cause I also see what you want. What up, broski? You know what day it is today? Yes, sir. You gonna put that fist up, my nigga. Yes, sir. How y'all coming? You gotta put that fist up.
Hey, yo.
You know what day it is today?
I gotta deal with that.
Juneteenth.
Hey,
Yes, sir.
Hey,
What you out here celebrating, bro?
Hey, we gotta deal with Netflix. We can't post them before.
Who the fuck is this nigga? Y'all know chat? Drop in the comments if it is.
We can't.
Drop in the comments if you know who this nigga is.
Babe, they asked me if I knew what today was. Look.
Juneteenth.
Not you. Hey, Crispy Gang, I'm not gonna lie, I see some fine shit. But when it comes to the fine shit, you gotta have the camera ready and shit. And we just gonna sneak up on them. Hey, look. I need your help, bro. We finna go shark these hoes. It was a 4v1, now I got somebody to play with. Can you hoop? Look, do he look like he can hoop? Alright, let's see. Put the phone in your pocket, watch, come on. I want the thick one, bro. It's Crispy. Oh, y'all look pretty. How y'all coming? Hello. God damn, you see, like I said, it'd be hard to get attention from their ass.
When that, look, they ass all wanna look and win, act like they ass are interested in. They ass next on the man. You gotta find.
He says because we can't get into that bitch.
No.
Damn, why don't the girls with BBLs ever not want us, bro? What the fuck? I'm trying to fuck some hard shit. My bad.
Look, man.
Look, how you coming?
Coming like.
Woo!
Happy Nigga Day.
Happy Nigga Day, my
Happy Nigga Day.
What's up? You know we out here celebrating?
We celebrating.
Oh,
Black
I just realized who it was.
That's why I came over here.
Hello, mama.
Hey.
Crispy Gang, y'all recognize her?
Probably not. It's been so long.
What? Didn't I just see you at Babyface Eat?
No, I wasn't at Babyface Eat.
When's the last time?
We was at like a boat party or some shit. Last time I seen you.
I ain't see you since the yacht.
Since the yacht.
You ain't been outside? You got a kid or something?
A little bit. I do. I'm a mommy.
That's why they be disappearing, Crispy Gang. You gotta stay focused. But you a mommy? How's that been for you?
Yes, I am. It's been great. I have a great balance.
You still look good.
Thank you.
Even though she don't check up on Crispy no more.
I be seeing you. You be going crazy though, and I have to give it to you. You been snapping.
But when's the last time she checked on your boy? My head been going.
Keep doing your fucking thing,
Look how fine she is. Imagine someone as good looking as her not checking up on your boy. Cause god damn. Y'all see that motherfucker? What you finna get into?
We finna go to Hubbard, but I don't know what's going on.
Y'all see how busting the line to Hubbard is?
I'm finna get in there. I don't know about it.
It be like that though. Me my cameraman can get in.
Y'all know how we do.
That's how we do it.
What's the content?
It's Crispy.
All right, Crispy. What's up, Crispy? Don't matter. It's Coco.
It's always one of them that want to be me and Crispy. Why is that?
Do you have a question?
Y'all know what y'all outside celebrating today? How long ago was that? What was that?
1648. 1682.
Damn, first question. That's it? Damn. Hey, but I ain't gonna lie though. Let me still get that IG.
I like where you going with that.
No,
What's y'all biggest green flags?
Green flag. Spin that shit. Spin that shit. Hey, spin that shit. Hey, spin that shit.
So I gotta spend money to get your heart?
No, my husband and my daughter got my boy, and my son. I love man.
Y'all all have kids?
No. Big auntie out here.
So y'all three don't got kids? You don't want?
I got kids.
Them two got his mamas.
Big mamas out here.
And they certified TTs.
Certified, hell yeah.
We the big mamas, they certified TTs.
I ain't got no kid, Crispy Gang.
Shout out to you, black man. Shout out to you, no child support.
I got nephews and nieces.
No baby mama.
Period. I got God kids.
That's a good black man. That's a good black man.
No kids.
No
Stay
kids.
strong.
No
Wrap that shit
No
up.
child support.
No baby
No
mamas.
baby mamas.
You know what I'm saying?
That's a good man.
No
I'm trying to
support.
get married. I'm looking for a wife, like I tell y'all.
Hey man, what you
we
looking
out
for?
here looking
What
for
you
a wife.
looking
How old are you? Like
What's
21?
your wife? What that look like?
25.
I seen this one clip. I can feel like I'm
How old are
looking
y'all?
for. I'm taken. Yeah, that's what I'm happily. That's the age I am.
Happily taken.
Happily taken.
I ain't see that in the
That's my age,
mix.
player.
What you
What
looking
about
for? White, Latino, Chinese? What you
I'm
looking
looking
for?
Black nigga. Black.
I want me a nice chocolate little thing.
Okay.
I'm trying to be like Dirk in India. I'm broke.
Indian chocolate.
I want to find my girl before I get rich.
I know, yeah.
Okay.
I like that.
But we making money every hour.
I
I'm
like
broke.
that.
But
I
you
like
can't
Not
that.
every day, every
You
hour.
can't go to the feds
You're out
though.
there,
Don't go
lady.
to the
You're out there
feds.
for him.
No federal
No answers over
nightmare.
here.
I ain't having no federal nightmare.
You on a dating website?
No.
You ain't
Look. Crispy Gang. This is our dating website. Walking down this street.
Oh.
Now, out of all of y'all, who's the most wifeable out of all of y'all?
She's the wife.
She's the wife.
We're all wifeable, but she's the wife.
She's legally
I'm
the wife.
engaged.
Yep.
Period.
You're
Baby
engaged.
girl.
She do got that ring on, so that's okay.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm married in the future, but I will. You know what I'm saying?
I didn't even know they did that in Chicago. Is that heaven?
Yeah.
Hey, heaven. Hey, heaven.
She's beautiful. Happy
Happy
birthday.
Hey, look. They all took, right? Since they all took, I'm with heaven. What up, heaven?
It's your girl Heaven here, the one Heaven on Instagram. Add me, follow me, do all that. Dang, y'all. The microphone
Good.
fell
We
off.
out here chilling. Nah, we good.
Wait, I got a technical difficulty.
Okay, so what you got to say?
Hey, Crispy Gang, look, we done found heaven again. Looking like heaven.
It's me, y'all, the one Heavenly. Follow me on Instagram at the one Heaven.
Y'all know what heaven's to promo.
Yeah. Okay, let me say what I gotta say. If you're not a Gemini, you wrong. 616, bitch. And if you hoes really feel some type of way, it's up and it's stuck. Thank you.
She said, this why they be afraid of Geminis, bro.
And that's my daughter. So I'm sitting here and I'm telling her, like, calm that shit down. We good. Y'all out here doing y'all thing. Y'all big one.
You see me text you, right?
No.
You know these
never
niggas?
mind.
I met him earlier.
Yeah.
At the
Right down the street.
I'm
bro.
Okay.
This your dad for real? This ain't who I met you with, bro.
All day.
I'm just
This
trying
is
to make
where
sure.
I get it from.
Trying to make sure she good.
You good?
Feel me?
I'm
Yeah.
straight. I'm with my people.
Okay. I'm trying to make sure that's not her sugar daddy, you feel me? I'm broke, but if it is, get that paper. Come on, Crispy Gang, we back on the field. Oh, Crispy Gang is getting spicy. Everybody's starting to come outside and I'm loving it. Yeah, happy Juneteenth.
Happy Juneteenth.
Happy Juneteenth, my sister. Bro. I hate that it's always the one that I'm not trying to talk to that be talking crazy. Look, you see how the police are all focused on one subject? Something going on over here. I don't know what's going on, but they look like they focused on somebody. That means we gotta get the fuck on. What the hell? They actually starting to go crazy, Crispy Gang. This feels like Wrigleyville, but for black people. Let's see what we can run into. What can we bump into out here? I like your dress. You look pretty. Look how she coming, Crispy Gang. Fuck her. It's straight niggas right here.
Okay.
Alright. Be safe. Oh, I'm on that. Oh! What they be saying? Oh! And here's another one. Hold on. Stay right there. Don't make up. Hello. How y'all coming? Y'all from Chicago? I like your fro. I try to grow mine, but I'm still bald headed, right?
You got a little girl.
Yeah.
I'm bald headed like that.
Cause I'm bald headed.
You not
Or do I got more hair than you? Cause that's how they get shit with the
That
braids,
was a
right?
nice try. You just say you
I
got
had to
more
try.
hair than you?
I asked. I didn't say it, I asked. Where y'all from? Chicago. What side of the city y'all from? Southside. Did y'all go to the Obama Center yet?
Not yet.
I know. It just opened yesterday. Y'all should have already been there.
That's right. I forgot it was Chicago. Yeah.
I don't know what's going on over there. What the fuck? Look at them across the street. They going 2T. I don't know what's going on. Never mind. Huh? Yeah.
You can wait for him to set up fast.
Alright, look. I got some questions for y'all. Let me put my glasses on because it's glasses time. I ain't gonna lie. Damn, y'all look real grown.
Damn, I don't see. Look, you're too young.
Too young? Alright, here's the questions for them.
I don't got a phone.
Ew, I didn't even ask for the IG.
I just see everybody asking to go through phones. I don't got one.
I'm not going through phones. That's if you was with your man to make him feel hurt. You feel me? But my question for y'all, how does it feel to be pushing 50?
First of all, I really had to contemplate my answer because I was going to show you how easily I can push 50.
Push 50?
Because first of all, 29 pounds.
50 pounds?
Correct.
For my arm?
Oh, in the gym. Nah, in the gym.
Oh, okay. She said push 50.
In the gym.
25.
50 I'm gonna fly. I would love to see you do.
I'm just kidding. Y'all still young. Look at these 23-year-olds looking pretty outside. I'm broke.
My phone hitting.
Y'all still look good, skin glowing, black don't crack, and I'm loving it.
How old are you?
25.
Y'all can tell I'm going to jail.
You're not going to jail, so I can show you something.
I wonder he said we pushing. That don't even make sense.
No, I told y'all I was 27 at first, right?
Y'all say you're a liar, so you just told me
No, I said
27,
25.
Yeah.
I know, I just told the real. Well, I
we
said
was
27.
listening.
Yeah, and y'all wasn't. I'm not gonna lie, Crispy Gang. It's giving they trying to shut us down. All the black people are outside and the clubs are starting to close. They got the sirens going crazy. It's giving we might have to move around because once we see the blue and white lights, we gone.
I just been like 10 bad for this fit.